So he mowed Monday, and it's now Wednesday. Monday, as he was getting done mowing, well, at one point during, and then when he was getting done mowing, we did get some rain. Pretty good shot of it that evening. So, and that doesn't hurt the grass when it's just been mowed, when it's still green, but it can kind of mat it down and make it harder to dry. So he's tedding it now. He came out yesterday and tedded. He actually had, like, from there this way mowed, and he tedded that yesterday, and then he had some time, so he went ahead and mowed the rest. So he's tedding it. Not sure if he's gonna hit this part again or not, or if he already did. I actually just got here. But we haven't had super hot weather, actually. It's actually been really nice for being outside. It's only been in the 70s and low 80s, which has been nice, but not super ideal for drying hay. It will, just slower, obviously. So under normal circumstances, it probably would have been dry and ready to bale today, but just because of that little bit of rain and because of the cooler temperatures, it's not ready today. It will be by tomorrow. Most of it's pretty dry, but you can see it's still got some green in it. You know, it doesn't, some of it when you grab it feels dry, but you can definitely tell there's still some moisture there. So just getting it fluffed up so it can dry. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow than it was today, so should be ready to go, ready to start baling by the time he gets off work tomorrow. See, this over here that he just mowed yesterday still has quite a bit of green in it. It got some pretty decent drying today, but it still definitely isn't as dry as the first batch. So I don't know if it'll all be ready tomorrow or not. Also only have so many hours in the evening to work with, but we'll just see. Just start with that piece first, raking and baling, and then if we get to this also, that's cool. If not, I guess we'll be back Friday. I just got over here. I got a little trailer hooked up to the truck to fill up for Katie. They already got started with the wagon though. He only raked part of it so far, and they started baling. He's got Gabe on there stacking. He works with him, and he came to help us out, so that's good. Can you say hi?
Hi.
They're amazing. They sit on a hay bale, so we'll get a picture.
So last night we got that wagon all full. There was just a little pop-up shower that didn't even show up on the radar that came through and sprinkled on us just a little bit, so we went and got that tarp and put over it just in case, but it didn't anymore, fortunately. But we filled it up, and we also, can't see it from here, but over behind the barn is Katie Kubota's trailer, and we filled it up too. And we also put a few, we didn't have the gooseneck last night, but he just threw some on the back of his Dodge. And now Ricky's brought his trailer, or wagon, excuse me. He's gonna buy some off from it, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. They went up that other row, so we just came over to give the cows a snack. Do you like your cows?
Yes.
Can you tell our friends what the cows' names are?
Linda, Di, and Lulu.
That's right, Linda, Dolly, and Emmy Lou. Are they eating?
Yeah.
Oh, stay back here, please. Thank you.
What's going on?
It was dark by the time we got done here last night, so I couldn't really shoot then, but unfortunately that wagon there that Ricky was loading onto had a bit of an oopsie. The last 3 feet of it and the headboard came off right there, so they unhooked right there, and then they went to stacking it back on the gooseneck again. He's supposed to come in the next couple days with a trailer and get that all picked up, but this load Zach's about to take across the road to another neighbor. He's gonna buy that off from us, and there's still a few down